Lafayette, Franklin, Greene, Licking, Madison, and Union. High wind warning in effect until 6 a.m. Thursday. South winds 25 to 35 miles an hour with gusts up to 60 miles an hour. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region.